welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Queen of Hearts inspired makeup look from Tim Burton's Alice in Wonderland. I am doing a mini Alice in Wonderland series here on my channel for Halloween, so I will make sure to have all my other Alice in Wonderland videos linked down below for you guys to check out. Also, can we just say how the Queen of Hearts has the same energy as Winifred Sanderson? At least I feel that way dressed up as her. I'm also going to give you a quick wig tutorial, but I did not fully structure this wig. I actually just bought this wig off of Amazon, and can I just say it has amazing structural integrity, and I truly can't recommend it enough. I am beyond impressed by how good it is. It has a great structure inside of it, but I'm just going to be showing you how you can color it to make it look a little bit more movie authentic. Also, if you haven't already, definitely make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be uploading a new Halloween themed makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, so you guys definitely don't want to miss it, and I will make sure to have all of my Halloween videos linked down below in a playlist for you guys, so if you need any more Halloween costume inspiration, I've got you covered. So anyways, with that being said, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can achieve this Queen of Hearts makeup look, then just keep watching. Hey Spoops, so to get started, we're going to be focusing on touching up the wig a little bit more, but just a disclaimer, this wig is already in amazing condition. I ordered it off Amazon and I will have it linked down below for you guys, but it has amazing structure and I highly recommend it, but I just want to kind of give it a little bit more dimension, so I'm going to be starting off by spraying a base layer of some red colored hairspray and then going into some black colored hairspray. I'm going to be just like lightly spraying this all over the wig, making sure to kind of scatter it around, and then I'm going to be using a wig brush to kind of help brush in that color. And what this is going to do is help just give the wig a little bit more dimension and make it look a little bit more realistic. I'm then going to be taking my crown, which I also got from Amazon and will have linked down below, and just going ahead and pinning that to the very top of the wig, and now we can move on to our makeup. I'm going to be starting off by going ahead and popping in some brown contact lenses, and then I'm going to be going into covering my eyebrows. I'm going to be taking an Elmer's glue stick and a spatula, and I'm just going to be going ahead and smoothing that on right over my brow hairs. I prefer to start off using my finger because I find that it helps blend the glue into my brows a little bit more, and then I'm just going to be setting that with a layer of translucent powder. I prefer to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to layer both of these on 2 more times, so I have a total layer of 3 layers of Elmer's glue and translucent powder, and then I'm just going to be moving on to concealing that a little bit more. So I'm going to be taking my Buckle Bunny Beauty color correcting concealer in apricot and going ahead and applying that all over that brow area to kind of help conceal that darkness a little bit more. Next, I'm going to be going into my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in white, and now I'm just going to be applying this right over that area as well, making sure to fully conceal both the orange areas and the other areas of my brow just so it blends in nicely, and then once again making sure to set that with some of my translucent powder. Next, I'm going to be moving on to painting my face. I'm going to be taking my Made You Look body paint in Yeti and my NYX Total Control foundation in Porcelain. And starting off, I like to take a foundation brush to apply this. I find that it helps alleviate streaks, especially when it comes to white body paint. And I definitely want to make sure to do 1 full layer on both my face and bringing that down to my neck and chest of just the white body paint to start off with. And then for the second layer, I like to go in mixing a little bit of that NYX Total Control foundation in Porcelain because I find that that just kind of helps give it a nice smooth finish. Next, I'm going to be taking my Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, taking Pillow Talk, and I'm going to be using this to go ahead and set my face. I'm then going to be going into Vex, and I'm going to be using this to contour my face. I'm going to be starting off by contouring my cheekbones and then blending this down to the lower part of my face, and then also making sure to apply this to my jawline as well to really help sharpen it. I definitely want to help give the illusion of a heart-shaped face, so I really want to focus that around my chin. And then I'm also going to be going ahead and contouring my nose and softly blending that down the edges of my nose, since she almost seems to have a little bit of like a triangular shaped nose. I'm trying to emulate that as best as I can. I'm then going to be blending out my contour a little bit more by using a fluffier brush to apply it, and then I'm going to be moving on to taking my Made You Look body paint in Cherry, and I'm just going to be creating a little bit of a widow's peak right up by my wig area. I'm also setting that with some red eyeshadow, and I just found that this kind of just helped tide the wig into the makeup look a little bit more. Moving on to her eyeshadow, I'm going to be going into my Moon Creations body paint in light blue, and I'm going to be starting off by applying the top of this right above where my covered up eyebrows ends, and I found that with the proportion of my face, this is kind of where it worked the best. I honestly wish for a look like this, I could have given myself some kind of gigantic head just to kind of make it look a little bit more movie accurate, but for now, this is what I'm doing. So I'm just going to be going ahead and creating that rounded shape and then bringing down the corners to the inner and outer part of my eye, and on both sides making sure to kind of bring it in just a little bit from where my eye shape naturally ends. So you want to make it just a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to be going ahead and going into some blue eyeshadow and just lightly setting this body paint. For my eyebrows, I'm going to be going into my Made You Look body paint in ink, and I'm just going to be using a small detailed brush to create a little line right on top of that upper part of the blue body painted eyeshadow. I'm then going to be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black eyeliner, and we're going to just go ahead and tightline my upper lash line, and then I'm going to be moving on to my lower lash line to create her kind of fake eyelashes. So what I want to do is just take this a little bit lower than where my natural lower lash line is, and then I'm just going to be going ahead and using little line strokes to create those fake eyelashes right underneath that line. So the main thing is to definitely have a gap between that fake lash line and your actual lash line, and then when you are done with that, I'm going to be going into my Made You Look body paint in Yeti again, and on another thin detailed brush, I'm going to be filling in that gap area just to help brighten it a little bit more. I'm going to be creating a little beauty mark on my left cheekbone, and then I'm going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them and taking my Tarte Maneater mascara and just going ahead and sweeping that through just my upper eyelashes. Next, I'm going to be taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and going ahead and tightlining my lower waterline before moving on to false eyelashes, where I'm going to be taking my Ardell 601 lashes and just applying that to my upper lash line. Moving on to lips, I'm going to be starting off by taking my ColourPop Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer lip liner and going ahead and filling in my Cupid's bow area, making sure to kind of make it sharp, and then rounding out the edges of my lip just to kind of make it look like the shape of a heart. And I'm going to be bringing that down the sides of my lower lip as well, and then right under my lip is where I'm going to be creating the point. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop Mulan Luxe Liquid Lip in Strong Cheat and just going ahead and filling in that heart area. And then I found to clean up the edges and make it look a lot nicer, I'm going to be using a small detailed brush to just kind of make the edges look a lot nicer and fill it in and make the color more opaque. And last but not least, I'm going to be setting my face with my One Size Beauty Until Dawn Setting Mist. And that's my completed Queen of Hearts makeup look from Tim Burton's Alice in Wonderland. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. Also, if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind-the-scenes sneak peeks of upcoming makeup tutorials before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!